oh, I'm just gonna trade and make a Lamborghini tomorrow. I'm just gonna trade and make a private jet tomorrow. I'm just gonna trade and make a vacation tomorrow. And that's how people keep losing vacations, Lamborghinis, private jet money. The truth of the matter is everyone loves trading because of the lifestyle. They get super excited about the super great lifestyle that they can have. Whether that lifestyle is you can have luxury cars, you can fly your family wherever you want, you can travel whenever you want, you can make money wherever you want. And though all those things are possible and true, they also are not extremely common because of a lot of things that people don't focus on. So I just wanted to kind of go over these stuff with you guys, just coming off the top of my experience, off the dome. So number one, what I want you to really pay attention to is managing your expectations. The truth about trading is learning how to trade is the easy part, but learning yourself is the most difficult. A lot of people don't realize that they are very in tune with wanting to get involved in get rich quick schemes. They're very money driven and not education driven. And anybody that chases the money needs to understand that if you are chasing the money, it is going to run from you. Let's stop harassing the money and let's start attracting the money, okay? Let's get in the gym and let's work out and let's look good. AKA, let's go fine tune our skills on the charts so that we get better, so that the money becomes easier. Some people look at the way I trade or the way anybody else trades online and they're like, oh, it looks so easy. Because for years we've been behind the scenes really making sure that we're doing good, that we're performing well. And we took a lot of losses along the way. I don't want you to have to go through that. Another thing that you have to really do is stop being so impatient. A lot of people and a lot of you know who you are from talking to you. You're very impatient. You want to learn something today, be successful at it tomorrow. You had to go to school to be able to get good at what you do. And even after you go to school, when you come in the industry, they call you entry level. It's not until you have years of experience that they're like, oh, okay, they are experienced. They're really good at what they do. You have to look at the market the same way. Remember, this is something that people go to school for 4 years. Some people 6 years, they get their master's, their MBA, and then they go and work on Wall Street. And that is a whole nother system in itself, right? And most people don't last on Wall Street because it is a very difficult industry. But you are the determining factor of whether or not you want success to be your portion. Understand that it's going to get stressful. It's going to be hard. It's one of the most psychologically frustrating things that you will ever do is try and learn how to trade. And so I want you to take a breath. I want you to be patient. I want you to stop chasing after the big goals and the big dreams. And I want you to focus on getting good. Because once you get good, all that big success, it comes. And it comes fast. Another thing I want you to stop doing is placing so much emphasis and pressure on trading being your main source of income. Trading, I believe, works best as a supplementary income. I think it works best when you need money, you need lunch money, you need some new iPhone 16, $1,500 money. I think that's when trading works really well. When the psychological part of all my money is to make this work is not, that pressure isn't there. Now the pressure is different. The pressure is this trade gonna work out? But if it doesn't, then it doesn't. I think where a lot of people mess up is you say, I hate my job. My boss is mean to me. I hate waking up early in the morning. I never have time for my kids. I never have time for myself. I never have time for this. And so because of that, you say, I need trading to work because I can make money any place, anytime, anywhere. It's true, but that comes with so much experience that you're better off enjoying the opportunity and the blessing that you have in the job you currently have, and then using that to add supplementary income to trading so that when you trade and you lose $300, you're not stressing because your job is going to pay you that back times 4, times 10, times whatever it is. You want to be financially smart. A lot of people don't focus on that. They don't focus on being smart with their finances, and they want trading to be that thing that they can not really care about how much money they make, not really care about money management, not really care about their risk management, not really care about discipline. They'll do that in everything else that requires a bill to be paid. But when it comes to trading, it's the lottery. And that's why so many people fail, because you're treating trading as a casino, and it's not a casino. This is something that you were supposed to take serious, but you want to take it, oh, I'm just going to trade and make a Lamborghini tomorrow. I'm just going to trade and make a private jet tomorrow. I'm just going to trade and make a vacation tomorrow. And that's how people keep losing vacations, Lamborghinis, private jet money. I hear too many people saying, I lost $10,000, $20,000, $30,000. I will personally say it, that I'm the one person that I don't give a hoot about your feelings, because this isn't something you can be emotional with. If you're emotional with your money, you would have lost every dollar to every single person that's ever asked you to borrow money, because your heart would just beg for them. But you have to be stingy with your money. And so I'm the one person that's gonna call you out and be like, hey, you're being a little inconsiderate towards yourself and your emotions. So I want you to be in a position where you are focused on doing that, if you focus on risk management, for example, $400 a day is $100,000 a year. If you focus on making that type of money by just focusing on $400 a day, and if you only make 200, cool. If you only make 100, cool. If you start to get content with that, you'll see the most success you've ever seen. But most people don't want to tell you that. They're going to tell you it's so easy to make so much. And it is easy after you've gotten through all the hard work. Again, thank you for watching this and taking your time to watch this. And I pray that it works out for you. Have an absolutely amazing morning, afternoon, night, evening, midday. Have a great one.